Today at the Mermaid Baking Academy, we are making delicious chocolate cookies. Now these are very easy to make and great for beginner bakers. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. I always begin by mixing the dry ingredients first. For this recipe, we need flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. Then we'll whisk them together until they're well combined. For the wet ingredients, we'll start with room temperature butter. Add the sugar and cream them together. Creaming them together means that you mix the butter and the sugar on a medium speed for about 2 or 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Most cookie recipes actually begin with this step, so it's important to learn how to do it properly. Then we add the egg and the vanilla. Now we mix. I always like to scrape down the sides of the bowl before I add any more ingredients. Now this is my favorite part, so we just have to pour in a little bit, and we'll start to combine everything on a low speed. Now we can add the rest. Do you know what I think, Fin Friends? Now that this is all mixed together, it looks a little bit like chocolate frosting. Now these are going to be large cookies, so I'm using a little less than 1/4 cup of dough for each one. Now I love that these cookies don't need to be refrigerated, but it does mean that they are going to spread out in the oven. So make sure that you give them plenty of space. Roll the dough into a ball and then gently roll the ball around in the sugar and place it on the baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 14 to 16 minutes, and voila! Chocolate cookies! Thank you so much for joining me at the Mermaid Baking Academy. Don't let any pirates steal your cookies, but make sure you make plenty to share. Enjoy your cookies, my friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!